In this video, I'm going to show you how to use IC V2 Lite on Hugging Face. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to Google and type in IC Lite V2, and then over here you want to go to Hugging Face, which should be one of the first websites. So you want to just click on that. And then over here, it's going to basically open the app where you can get started. Now here, the first thing you'll have to do is you'll have to drop image here or just upload it. So let me just drop one of my portraits over here that I found. There we go. And then what you're going to have to do is you have to prompt it down here. Now here, of course, you will have to prompt it. You can just type in whatever you want, or you can just use these buttons over here, which basically make things quicker. So let's just go ahead, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on detailed photo of, and then I'm going to do a man. Okay, so when you click this, it should just pop up. There we go, it did. And then here you can basically select your illumination environment, so you can do whatever you want. What I'm going to do here is actually I'm going to do, for example, let's do campfire light. This should be interesting. And then here you will have to basically also put in the background. So we're gonna do, let's do an interesting one over here. We're gonna do a futuristic cityscape to see what it's gonna do. And then at the bottom you can also select the image width, the image height, and then the seed in case you wanna basically do anything else than a normal one. So you can see different seeds over here and different things you can use as well. So once you've done this, of course, you can describe this more into detail in case you would like to. You're free to do that. And then you can also select the emission latent over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a top light. And then at the bottom, you simply want to click on run. And then this is going to start running. And as you can see, it should take about 26 seconds. Usually it takes just about that time, so it's quite quick. And you can see basically the pre-processed foreground and then the outputs over here on the right. So basically it's going to be a cutout of whatever object or person or whatever you put in here. And then on the right, you'll see it's going to be a fully processed image according to everything we put in here. There we go. As you can see, this is now the cutout. You can see it full screen. You can download it or share it. And then this thing over here is now exactly what we wanted. Okay, so detailed photo of a man. It's a campfire light, so it kind of made it a bit dim, I guess. And then a futuristic cityscape in the background. It's exactly what you wanted. And basically this is what happened. So we can kind of see the comparison over here. It looks very, very good in my opinion. And then you can just download this, view it in full screen, or you can of course just cancel it and do a new one in case you didn't like this. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.